This is the 13th problem in the series, students. So this problem has come for 2013. H Company Limited invoices its goods to its Belagavi branch at cost. The branch sells goods only on cash basis and all cash received being remitted to head office, that is H Company accounts, regularly. So since the company deals with cash basis, so the question of debtor will not come. Goods sent to branch 40,000 debit side. Goods returned by the branch credit side. Stock at branch on 1/1/18 8,000 debit side. Petty cash on 1/1/18 is called opening petty cash 250 debit side. Cash sales 58,700 credit side. Cash sent by head office for expenses can be read as cash received by branch office. So totally branch office have received cash for 3 expenses: salary 5,600 plus rent 2,500 plus petty cash 475 will come in debit side. Stock at branch on 31/12/18 48,000 credit side. Petty cash on 31/12/18 185 will come in credit side. Prepare Belagavi branch accounts. Students, very easy simple problem. To opening stock, to opening petty cash, to goods received by branch and cash received by branch for various expenses. Total of all the 3 expenses 8,575. Then we have goods returned by the branch office. Then cash sales, that is bank. The branch office may have to remit the cash amount towards sales to head office, closing stock and closing petty cash. So 4 items in the credit, 4 items in the debit. Let us look into the next question, students. Particulars: prepare branch accounts for the year ending 31/3/2018. Stock at branch on 1/4/2017 8,900 debit side. Branch debtor on 1/4/2017 4,700 debit side. Petty cash at branch on 1/4/2017 20 rupees debit side. Goods sent to branch can be called as goods received by branch 28,400 debit side. Cash sales 15,800 credit side. Credit sale put an into mark 40,400. It will not come in branch account. Instead, it will come in debtor's account. Cash receipt from debtor will come in credit side. Whatever cash the branch receives should be remitted to head office. So credit side. Cash sent to branch for expenses. So rent, salary, petty cash, all the 3 will come in debit side. Stock at branch on 31/3/14 is 6,400 will come in credit side. So students, if you look at it, closing debtor is missing in the question. So therefore you should prepare debtor account to find out closing debtor. When there is opening debtor, there must be closing debtor. So closing debtor is missing in the question. So students, you have to prepare debtor account. Bring down the opening debtor balance, then take the credit sales in the debit side. Debtor is a customer. So credit sales will come in debit side because debtor is a customer, and therefore the debtor is a receiver of the goods what we sell. So debit the receiver, it comes in debit side. Cash received from debtor, so we receive, debtor is a payer, credit the giver. So total the debit side 45,100 minus 37,900, you get a closing debtor of 7,200. So students, we have to opening stock, to opening debtor, to opening petty cash, to goods received and cash received. Credit side we have cash paid, closing stock, closing petty cash, goods returned, and then closing debtor. Students, hope you remember I told you there are pair of entry that comes in the branch account: to opening stock, then closing stock, opening debtor, then closing debtor, opening petty cash, then closing petty cash, Goods received by branch and goods returned by branch. Cash received by branch and cash paid by branch. So total the credit side minus the debit side, we get 18,210 as a profit. So students, 2017 question paper, it's come for BCom, Bangalore University. This is the 15th problem in the series. The following particulars are relating to Bengaluru branch for the year ended 31/12/16. Prepare branch account in the books of head office. So opening stock 30,000 will come in debit side. Debtor at branch on 1/1/16 60,000 debit side. Petty cash at branch on 1/1/16 600 debit side. Goods sent to branch during 2016 5,04,000 debit side. Cash sales 2016 1,20,000 will come in credit side. Received from debtor 2016 is nothing but cash received from debtor 2016 4,20,000 will come in credit side. Credit sales put an into mark, it will not come in branch account. Instead, it will come in debtors account. Then check sent to branch during the year, totally we have 23,200. So branch have received the money for salary, for rent and for petty cash. It will come in debit side. Stock at branch on 31/12/2016 credit side. Petty cash 31/12/2016 400 credit side. Goods returned by the branch 4,000 credit side. Debtors on 31/12/16 96,000 will come in credit side. Students, we have opening debtor 60,000, closing debtor 96,000. So since opening debtor, closing debtor is given in the question, no need to prepare debtor account. Ignore debtor account because we have the first balance and we have the last balance. We have opening debtor, we have closing debtor. So no need to prepare the debtor account. Students, answer you try on your own and kindly revert back after working the problem in the WhatsApp. Thank you.